Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to go over the top 15 ways to monitor Linux in a terminal, whether you're a regular human being or a hacker. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. You have, process and system monitoring tools. You have the top, the classic system monitoring utility that displays real-time process information, including CPU and memory usage. It provides a dynamic view of system resources and running processes. You have htop, an improved, more interactive version of top with a more user-friendly interface. It offers enhanced visual representation of CPU, memory, and swap usage. You have vtop, a comprehensive system monitoring tool that provides graphical representations of system utilization. Resource-specific monitoring tools are as goes. You have the Atop, which specializes in monitoring disks I/O and processes, helping identify which processes are causing heavy disk read/write operations. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Next, we have the dstat, which is a versatile tool that provides system resource statistics, showing trends across different system metrics. Next, we have the nmon, a comprehensive performance monitoring tool that displays various system statistics. You have user and process activity monitoring. You have the PCA-CCT/ACCT, which is background tools that track user activities, resource consumption, and system usage. You have Monit, which is a process supervision utility that monitors services, right, and processes and system resources. Now, memory and system information tools, you have free, yeah, I know, right, which displays memory usage in a straightforward manner. You have the cat/proc/mem info, which provides detailed memory information by reading system memory files. Now, here are some additional monitoring techniques. Here's where we go to the 11th to the 15th. You have the watch, a utility that can repeatedly run monitoring commands, allowing real-time updates. You have the conky cli, a lightweight system monitor for the console. Now, advanced monitoring solutions, we're going from the 13th to the 15th. You have the vmstat, which reports virtual memory statistics. The iostat, which provides CPU and input/output statistics. You have the netstat, which monitors network connections and network interface statistics, right? Now, the pro tip, many of these tools can be combined or used with various parameters to customize your monitoring experience. For system admins, understanding and utilizing these tools is crucial for maintaining system performance and diagnosing issues. Now, that's kind of like for the avies, the average people. Now, let's get into the hackers. So hackers typically monitor Linux systems using several terminal commands to gather system information and identify potential vulnerabilities. Now, the key monitoring techniques for network monitoring is like the use sudo isof to list network connections and identify processes. Listening for incoming connections, employ ftop to monitor network interfaces and incoming/outgoing traffic process monitoring. Run top to view real-time system performance and active processes. Use ps-oxf to list all system processes comprehensively. Check ps-ox to examine executable commands and running processes. User and login monitoring, execute w command to check active users and their login times. Use who to view logged in users and their active processes. Check last to review previous system connections and user activities. Command history tracking, you have the examine bash history. Peter, please put that code on the screen for them. And you use this to review previously executed commands. Look for suspicious commands like install, curl, or wget that might indicate malware download. Now, in regards to advanced reconnaissance, use whois to track IP addresses of connected users. Utilize isof to investigate system commands and potential backdoors. That is key, because hackers often focus on commands that can download malware, such as the wget and curl, which are commonly used to execute malicious scripts and download additional payloads. Another command we have here, you can basically say this is a notable mention, is the glances, right? And glances is a powerful cross-platform system monitoring tool for Linux that provides comprehensive system resource information in an intuitive interface. Now, here's how to use it. To start monitoring your system, simply run the glances, right? This will display a real-time dashboard of system resources in your terminal, including the CPU usage, memory utilization, network bandwidth, disk I/O, running processes, and system information. So the installation methods, you can install glances using different package managers. You have the Debian / Ubuntu, the Red Hat / CentOS, and the using PIP. And Peter, please put those three on the screen so that they can see. Now, in the web server mode, to view system monitoring in a web browser, you can use the glances W command. This starts a web server typically accessible at HTTP, the local host, like the 61208. And Peter, you could put that on the screen so that they can see that as well. Thank you very much. Now, the interactive features, while glances is running, you can use several hotkeys. The A for automatically sort processes, the C, which sort processes by the CPU usage, the M that sort processes by memory usage. You can also switch between global and per CPU stats. The H, that's the show help screen. The key benefits, like the cross-platform and open source, it basically monitors 15 plus system metrics. It's highly configurable, and it has a colored coded interface like the green, the normal, the red, and the critical, right? So that is something that you should, I really like this tool for. That is what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. So is there a Linux command for monitoring Linux that I missed or you feel deserved or earned to be on the video? Please let me know in the comment section, okay? Because sometimes I can miss certain things, right? I'm trying, you know what I'm saying? But we also have items like the shuf command, the shuf, right? Random number generation. We have so many kinds of things that can be used for the Linux monitoring. But I don't know, I mean, is it easier to monitor through Linux or Windows? We have that whole Windows Linux, what I'm saying, like that fight going on. Windows Linux, Windows Linux, Windows Linux. All right, so see you on the next video.